Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is the Galaxy SmartTag2 from Samsung. It's not new. It is the newer version of that one over there, which is the SmartTag Plus. But the reason I've decided to do a video, even though it's not new, is just because I think it's worth highlighting. These are on sale, £12.50 on Amazon at the minute, so worth picking them up whilst you can. Although, bear in mind, I think if they're lowering the price that much, there might be a new one on the market soon, but how much can you really do with a key tracker? So open it up. The tracker itself, just completely different design, as you can see, from the previous model, which is over here. Now, the previous model, you can get a little key loop through it. That one's going to be a bit harder because it's thicker. I'm probably going to need something a bit more like this to use it, and just clip it on like that instead, which is sold separately. Bit of a shame. I mean, you can probably get a normal key hoop through there, but that's what I'm going to do. So when I pull that out, that'll work, but it'll probably stop my video. Don't know why. There's what appears to be a SIM ejector tool. Guessing probably to do with the battery. Well, look, the battery just pops out of there. So I have no idea why that's in there. Can't even see a tiny hole on the device. Put it in. How bizarre. I'm sure it'll tell me somewhere. But yeah, I just think that's a nice little keyring tracker, and it's cheaper than most budget ones. Struggle to use the word budget here because this is cheaper, but you know, you get the ones that are like no brand. You get them in shops like Home Bargains and B&M, Asda, even Chipotle, which is not a cheap brand, but they're obviously not as big as Samsung. This is cheaper than all of them, £12.50. I'll leave a link in the description. It is an affiliate link, so it does help the channel out, but doesn't cost you any extra. So please click the link and get yourself some before they go up in price or sell out.